All right, geometry students, let's look at Unit 2, Lesson 3, Congruent Triangles, Part 1. So one goal here, I can explain why if all the corresponding sides and angles of two triangles are congruent, then the triangles are congruent. So what we're looking at is if you can identify that the corresponding sides are congruent, you can identify that the corresponding angles are congruent, then those triangles must be considered congruent triangles. And we're going to look into why that is. So sticking with the same vocabulary word, we still have corresponding parts. So those are the parts that fall on top of each other when using a rigid transformation to move one object onto its image. All right, so your warm-up is, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, then there are three questions that I have for you. What must be true? So name anything that you know has to be true about them. What could be true? So those are things that are true sometimes, but not all the time, or you're not really sure, but you think that they're true. And what definitely can't be true? What can you guarantee will not be true based off of the information you have? Here's kind of a picture that you can use. These two triangles are pretty much congruent. They're hand drawn, so they might be a little off, but they're pretty much congruent. Try and come up with what you can say about these three questions. Bring that to class tomorrow, and that's going to start our discussion. Thanks.